This is the second part after the front end. In this part, we have performed the mathematical operations. Here we are starting this. First of all, we have to define the functions and the returns its the outcome value. First of all, I am defining the addition functions and then go through with subtraction, multiplication, division, mod, LCM and HCF. You can do whatever you write, leap year, anything you want. So now let's start with it. First of all, we have to define with add and a comma b, and then we have column and then return a plus b. Now come with define subtract a comma b and then return a minus b. Then with def mul a comma b and return a multiply with b. Now come with division part, def div with a comma b now we start with div part and now come with the modulus. Here we have def mod a comma b and what we have written is a modulus with b. Oh, this one is done, and now come with the LCM part, from which we have def LCM a comma b and now comma, and what we have to do is L is equal to a if a is greater than b, else it will give us b. Now we have used the while condition while L is less than equal to a multiply with b. So what will happen is it will also check if L percentage with a double equals to 0 and L percentage with b also double equals to 0, then we have to return L, and also we have to L is equal to L plus 1. And now for the HCF function, we have to define HCF a comma b column and then the condition h will be equal to a if a is less than b, else b. Okay, now also while h is greater than equal to 1 and if a percentage with h double equals to 0 and b percentage with h also double equal to 0, then we have to return the value of h. And then we also have to decrement the value of h in same as the case which in the LCM we have incremented the value of L. So h is equal to h minus 1. Now the defining the functions is complete. We have defined the add, subtract, multiplication, division, modulus, LCM and SCF. You can also add more functions if you like. This part is end up to here. In the next part we will move forward. Thank you for this part.